This is a nasty hard question. Maybe it's unanswerable. So Rad.
I knew it. How did I not know that?
Rad is our resident Table Topics Master Champion. If you had the money today, what college would you attend, and how would your course selection differ than the first time around?
If I had the money, I would attend, I think, an Ivy League school. And the course selection, I think, would be not unlike what I did originally when I went to Washington State University. But I think what would really make the difference for me is if I studied a little harder. When I went to Pullman, there was a little bit of a sidetracking that went on, because for the first time in my life, I was around a city of individuals that were my age. And there was no real rule of parenting going on at the time. And it was just fascinating to me that I could be in this group of individuals that were, well, a group of my peers, but the same age, but had a little more freedom on their mind rather than maybe a specific line of study. So I think the biggest change that I would make, I would get to that school, and I would most specifically put that kind of party environment mentality to the side and focus more clearly on the opportunities that I could avail myself to advance in a career afterwards. Drinking wasn't necessarily something majoring in, although I did get an A in it. There's a whole story behind that. Hopefully you'll ask me about that someday. The 4-credit A. But no, really, the opportunity to excel and to have other opportunities. And I think that's what would be the most important to me. And maybe some of the egregious mistakes that I made in some career choices early on in my first schooling would make a difference. Thank you.